Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to share a PDF directly from your Wix website, maybe a menu, a brochure, or a handy guide for your visitors, you're in exactly the right place. In today's step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily add a clickable PDF link to your Wix site. By the end, you'll have a working link that lets your users open or download your PDF with a single click. This is a super useful skill for anyone who wants to provide extra resources, printable documents, or any files right on their site. Let's dive right in. First off, I've already set up a text element on our demo page. You can follow along with text or use a button, image, or any clickable element. Wix makes it pretty flexible. For today, I'll show you with simple text so it's easy to see exactly how it works. If you're starting from scratch, just drag a text box onto your page and type in something like download PDF or whatever makes sense for your visitors. Now, let's get this text linked up to your PDF. The first thing you'll want to do is double-click on the text itself. This opens up the editing mode, letting you tweak the appearance, content, and most importantly, add a link. Just take your time here. Make sure you're on the actual text you want to turn into the clickable link. Next, look for the little link icon in the text toolbar. It usually looks like a chain link, and clicking it will pop up the Add a Link window. This is where the magic happens, because Wix lets you link to several different things: an external website, an email address, a page on your site, and what we're interested in today, a document. In the link options, go ahead and select Document. Choosing Document is important because that's how you can connect your text or button directly to a file your visitors can access. It's a little different from linking to a web page, but super handy if you want them to download something or just view a file, like a PDF menu or report. Once you choose Document, you'll see an option to choose File. Clicking this will open up your site files or let you upload a new one. If you already have your PDF handy on your computer, now's the time to locate it. Maybe it's a price list, an instruction manual, or even your latest company newsletter. Just hit that Upload or Choose File button, select your PDF, and let Wix do the work. It may take a moment to upload, especially for larger files, but don't worry if it spins for a bit. That's totally normal. After your PDF is uploaded, make sure it's selected, then just click Done. And there you have it. Your text is now linked to your PDF file. I know this step can sound a little technical, but once you've done it once or twice, it's really straightforward. You're just connecting your site's text to the actual document you want your visitors to access. Now, before publishing, I always recommend checking your work. Wix has a preview mode that lets you click around your site just like a visitor would. Click on Preview at the top right, then find your linked text and give it a click. If everything worked, the PDF should open up, usually in a new tab, or start downloading. If not, just retrace your steps. Sometimes it's as simple as reselecting the file or double-checking the link settings. And that's honestly all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've added a super useful feature to your Wix site that makes sharing documents with your audience a breeze. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. Got questions or run into an issue? Drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Wix tutorials and web tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.